I'm Mike Cinibulk. I work at the Air Force Research Laboratory, and my responsibility there is I'm the research leader for ceramic materials and processes. So really what we're focused on is structural ceramics research, specifically fiber reinforced materials. We're looking to develop CMCs, ceramic matrix composites with enhanced properties, primarily increased temperature capability and environmental durability. So I'm involved peripherally with the work that's being done here under the PIRE program. Specifically at the workshop, it's really my first extensive interaction with the folks here. And what I'm really hoping to accomplish is basically introduce myself to them, our organization, see if we can find areas of common interest for collaboration. So for us, we're very much interested in polymer-derived ceramics for fibers, for ceramic fibers, as well as matrices in ceramic matrix composites.